Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix ChatGPT too many redirects error. So if you don't know the real link of the ChatGPT and if you only put ChatGPT in the search bar, you may see some ChatGPT error. But if you put the real link in the search bar, you can go to the ChatGPT website. So at first just go to Google or Chrome in your device. Now in the search bar search for chat.openai.com, or you can search for chat.openai, and after searching it, here you can see the very first website, chat.openai ChatGPT. Click on it, and here you can see the login and sign up option of ChatGPT. If you already have an account, you can just simply click login and log into your account, and if you don't have an account, just click on the sign up option and you need to sign up. So guys, that's how you can fix ChatGPT error. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.